That's my thought. So the older theft is from December 16th, 2024.
Right.
And that was from Melrose.
Welcome back to the docket, where second chances meet hard deadlines. Today, a young defendant juggling 3 PR bonds, an assault caught on surveillance, lab-tested drug screens that may not say what you think, and a judge will give you a map and a wake-up call. Watch closely. Tiny choices here decide freedom, fines, or a fast ride back to jail.
From Melrose, and this is from a Walmart, and this is on March 6, 2025. I'm not seeing anything on the previous theft regarding the Purple Heart discount.
Okay.
Would you like me to start over?
Just so, to Walmart and how much?
$283.62.
Judge, if you can recall, this is the young man that you had granted a pretrial you had given a bond for him. You had me to talk to his mother to see if his mother would have a place for him to stay. And she said yes, providing that he puts up an effort to try to get a job and et cetera.
Oh, I remember that. Okay. But he not picked up a new case.
No, he had.
Have we addressed that since the new?
Yeah, we addressed it. We knew that he had picked up another case. That's why you were upset that he had picked up another case while he was on bond for the previous theft. But the court was kind enough to still give him a bond because I had spoken with the mother, and the mother informed me that he could stay there and where until such time that he.
Are we doing another arraignment then today?
Yeah, bond conditions have already been set for this.
Then why are we doing an arraignment? Is today just a regular setting then? I'm showing them both set for.
Door. Okay, yes, Judge, I guess it was just a regular setting. He
Don't-
had a PR bond, and on the
Right.
bond, it had today's date of billing.
If you pick up a third case, I'm going to absolutely lose it. Do you understand?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
must get a job or be in school full time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do not use any illegal drugs. If I find that you're using, I will lock you up. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand? We've given you now 2 PR bonds on the first one, 1 PR bond on the second case. That's 3 PR bonds. You will not get another one. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In the next couple weeks, I'm going to send you for a drug test. If I find that you're using, it's not going to go well for you. Okay, so I guess let's set this case out for a couple weeks because I want to know what he's done to get a job. I'm setting your case out for 1 to 2 weeks. I want to see what you have done to get a job. If you have done nothing, if you come here and show me that you have not filled out at least 10 to 15 applications for a job somewhere, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so 1 to 2 weeks, you're going to get tested when you come back.
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Lee, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Marcus,
Hey,
ready?
Judge, yes, approach on Mr. Perez, it's an arraignment.
Page 20.
May I call him up?
Yeah, please.
Ricardo Perez?
Is this all you have today, Marcus?
No, I've got other ones I need to talk to you about.
What is the case number?
It is 255-6010.
Buenos días, señor. Nomás conteste.
Perez, you are charged with assault, bodily injury. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Okay. Hi, good morning.
On March 16th,
El 16 de marzo
2025,
2020,
officers were dispatched to an assault with injuries located at 4000 Hollister in Harris County, Texas. The officers were unable to speak with the complainant because his injuries caused him to be unconscious.
This is a textbook lesson in pretrial release. The court has already granted 3 PR bonds. That means the defendant walks without posting cash, but the leash gets shorter each time. Today, the judge draws a bright line. Stay clean, get a job, or be in school full-time, bring proof, and file 10 to 15 applications before the next setting. That's not busy work. It's a measurable compliance plan. Miss a test? Bad. Test positive? Worse. Show up with no applications? Expect consequences. Courts balance public safety with defendant rehabilitation, and this is the rehabilitation lane with speed bumps. Question for you. Is the judge being generous by offering structure or too lenient after repeat breaks? And if you were the defendant, what's your next move between now and that 2-week check-in?
The unconscious.
Estaba en función.
Officers reviewed surveillance,
Vieron a
which showed that the defendant pushed down the complainant with both of his hands, causing the complainant to hit his head first on the concrete.
su cabeza en el concreto.
It also showed the complainant to be unconscious.
Que estaba inconsciente.
The defendant was identified
Fue identificado.
through a witness who called him out on the scene and identified him,
Lo identificó.
and the defendant matched the person in the surveillance
Where
footage.
was this? Is it at a bar? You're drinking? What?
It doesn't state, it just gives an address.
I believe it was at an apartment complex where he resides. My understanding. I guess we'll see what the surveillance shows.
He said, explain.
Mr. Perez, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I want you to understand that I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my city at all costs. This is now your second assault within the last year and a half to 2 years. If I find that you so much as put hands on any single person, I'm going to lock you up. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you. Do you understand?
¿Usted lo entiende?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or prescribed controlled medication. I'm going to wrangle you. If I find that you're using likewise, I will put you in jail. You're ordered not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, not to be in possession of any weapons, or not to go within 200 feet of where he lives or where he works. For now, I will have you go to Ramona, to Victoria to sign a reset. After that, I'll get you with Felicia for your bond conditions. Be careful. You are skirting extremely thin ice. Do you understand? If that ice cracks, your butt's gonna freeze. Come on.
You want me to adjust my other,
Come on.
I have three
What
others. Cruz, Jose Cruz.
Okay.
We submitted the PT application mitigation and the TRAS. We're just waiting on, it was approved. We're waiting on the contract.
Okay, so let's set it 2 weeks for you to get everything done.
Okay. Can I waive my client's appearance?
Yeah, if he doesn't have everything done though, then he's gotta be here because it's an old case.
Okay, he's here today.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll waive it as long as he's, got everything done. They're ready to file the supervision order and,
Okay.
okay,
Next one is Guevara, Guevara, Jose.
okay.
We're waiting on approval. We submitted the PT application and mitigation on Friday. This is the one that we had talked like a week ago, that we just found out he needed it, so we submitted everything. We're waiting on approval.
Okay, I guess let's do it again. We'll give it another week.
2 weeks?
No, 1 week.
1 week.
It's 250 days.
Okay, and then, the last
Same
one,
thing, it'll be waived if it's not, approved or denied by the next one, then I'll send an email myself because it's, yeah. Okay.
my last one is Diego Gonzalez. Again, same situation. Last time we were here, Judge, I was emailing back and forth with Ashley. Initially, she had said he's denied because he
Right, the no
didn't have
insurance kit,
insurance, and I
correct.
said, no, he does have insurance. And Geico's been trying to get a hold of the CW, and even the DAs are having a hard time getting a hold of the CW. So I'm waiting to hear from her.
I did give her, and you gave it in.
I emailed her both. Yes, I emailed her the letter from Geico and insurance.
Let's give it a week also to see if she approves or denies.
Okay. Great,
Same thing.
that's all I got.
Now we pivot to assault with bodily injury backed by surveillance video. The footage allegedly shows a two-handed push headfirst impact on concrete and the complainant unconscious. High drama facts that play big at probable cause. The judge flags this as the second assault in 24 months, then drops the full compliance package. No contact with the complainant, no weapons, no alcohol or illegal drugs, and stay 200 feet from home and work. There's also a sober reminder about immigration detainers if custody overlaps with federal holds. Translation: one wrong text, one bar run in, or one dirty test can detonate bond status. For the audience, does video evidence change your presumption of what happened, Or should the defense still press for context around location, intoxication, or prior history? And if you're the defendant, how do you prove you're safe to remain in the community between now and trial?
That's all I got. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused? Thanks.
This is an off-docket matter. It's just really quick that I want to bring to your attention. Jonathan Lopez, you scheduled him for a TRAS. He refused to do the TRAS. We're due back in court on Monday. I'm not sure if you wanted to put him on docket sooner to address it. Cause number is 255-5478.
This is the one you're on the BPO with unfettered right?
Okay, no, just,
We're okay for Monday? Okay, I just wanted to bring it to your attention.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge. Okay, thank you. May I be excused?
was that it for arraignments, or do we have more? Do you know?
Judge, I'm not sure. The last. Judge, if you talk to Perez, Ricardo Perez.
We just did that one.
Yeah, we just did it.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's all they were.
Ms. Perkins.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Hi, I have Mr. Christopher Allen on docket. The state just filed a dismissal on his case. I just want to let you know.
The state what?
Filed a dismissal.
Got it. Okay, I'll sign it for you.
All right, thank you,
Is he
Judge.
here or no?
Yeah, he is in the gallery.
Got it. Okay, we'll give him a copy then.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty, have a good one.
Miguel?
How many do we have?
Yeah, you only need.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Do you have a lawyer today?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Have the ability to hire a lawyer?
I do. The only thing is, they're way more expensive than it would be to just pay off what I owe the county.
I mean, how much does he owe? It's a theft by check.
$141 so one check was written for $1,377.63, and then one was written for $141.13.
HEB?
The tax assessors, Harris County tax assessor.
Okay. I'll give you a lawyer today. That way you don't have to just start wasting a bunch of money. Do you mind appointing a lawyer?
Yes.
So just hang tight. I'll give you a lawyer here momentarily, okay?
I'll get on this side a little bit.
Yeah.
Right this way.
Did you put an offer on the case?
There is no offer on the case
Do
yet.
you mind?
Yeah.
Please. Good morning, Mr. Wilson. Do you have a lawyer today?
She just reached back to me this morning, so she told me she's gonna contact me this evening when she get done with court.
Hired her?
I just got in touch with her. Like, I've been reaching out to her, but she just responded.
Okay. Do you want more time?
Yeah.
Okay. Head on over to Victoria. We'll give you more time. Are you ready?
I just sent you an email on that. Danielle. Yeah. We had addressed it before. Yeah, it was, you sent him to get a drug test on the first BVR. And then it came back positive for opioids, I think. And they said they wanted to send it to a lab. I provided a list of the medications. And then they submitted that second BVR with all that stuff and saying that he did provide his list of medications.
For who?
Janiel.
Oh, is it Montanil?
Yes.
Is it Montanil?
Yeah. Montanil's master.
Yeah, so we were waiting for the lab results to come back and they have come back. They
We knew there was a presumptive positive.
Welcome back to the docket, where second chances meet hard deadlines. Today, a young defendant juggling 3 PR bonds, an assault caught on surveillance, lab-tested drug screens that may not say what you think, and a judge will give you a map and a wake-up call. Watch closely. Tiny choices here decide freedom, fines, or a fast ride back to jail.
Is that presumptive?
Here she's testing positive for alcohol, though, right?
No. Just opioids. It's a he.
Oh, I was thinking someone else. But one of those that she's taking tests positive for.
I think several of them do. And just a presumptive look at it, when I first looked at it, it was the antipsychotic ones that would give false tests, as far as that's concerned.
Is there no one at pretrial that can address
None
this?
of us that go.
Not you guys. I know you, but there's no like
No, we would have to, not even our drug technicians. I reached out to my supervisor regarding it. And to confirm that, we'd have to get someone who's certified or someone from Abraham.
Okay, I'll speak now then. Let me reply to all you guys and then I'm gonna bring someone else in as well. Let's see. So I'll send this email and we'll just stay in touch and then we'll see what they say.
Okay.
I'm gonna reach out to the higher ups to see, hey, do we have any, I mean, I can't believe that we don't have anyone that would be able to.
To say one way or the other.
Right.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm trying to pull up the picture I have, but it won't pull up for some reason. But yeah, there are I think one or two of the medications that he takes can give presumptive false positives.
If that's the case, then of course we're not gonna dig in.
Right.
See,
Okay. So do you want to leave them on for Friday or do we want to just hold off?
let's hold off on
Okay.
the original date for now. Let me see what.
See what they come. Okay. All right. Sounds good.
She's already. She can handle. Hi. Is it going?
Monday?
Yeah. Apparently you sent my client to go pee somewhere.
She don't like to go
I
on
didn't want to be crass, but that's the fact.
No results of that, Judge. She hasn't provided a sample yet.
We've had a lot of history with her.
I saw that. I got emails on Friday about it.
Had, quite a bit of history.
Third bond violation. I saw that. Do you want me to recite it out of my memory?
That, we've had quite a bit of history. Does she not have a prior case with us too? Is this,
21. I don't think she does.
No, it's just this
is
case.
this the one where there was an issue with a boyfriend and?
There is a boyfriend in the car, and the really interesting thing about this is like the police officers did a full felony stop on a DWI with guns drawn, making them get out. It's kind of weird.
Capital?
It was really strange. I'm watching it going like,
Capital DWI?
that's what it was. Of course, it was like precinct 4-ish. Everything up there could be a capital in their minds, And so I don't know what you want to do with this, Judge.
Just don't want her using, that's it.
I get you.
That's all I want. I want to ensure that she's not.
This is a textbook lesson in pretrial release. The court has already granted 3 PR bonds. That means the defendant walks without posting cash, but the leash gets shorter each time. Today, the judge draws a bright line. Stay clean, get a job, or be in school full-time. Bring proof and file 10 to 15 applications before the next setting. That's not busy work. It's a measurable compliance plan. Miss a test? Bad. Test positive? Worse. Show up with no applications? Expect consequences. Courts balance public safety with defendant rehabilitation. And this is the rehabilitation lane with speed bumps. Question for you. Is the judge being generous by offering structure or too lenient after repeat breaks? And if you were the defendant, what's your next move between now and that 2-week check-in?
So,
Judge, and then also we have the English interlock that she's not driving, so we're not monitoring her. By any means, because she had the portable at first, we had portable violations, so then she was revoked. Then she provided proof that she had gotten her vehicle fixed, so we swapped her over to the ignition interlock. The ignition interlock is not being used.
so let's see how it goes today. And then I'm gonna random her again. So, if she tests positive, then we'll see. I don't know.
I mean, do you want me to wait? I'm perfectly willing to do that.
Oh, and then I'll get a hold of you. Or you know what? I don't have your new number. Do you mind?
Give you my new work number. My old number is still the same.
Oh, is it really? Then hold on.
You have it for sure.
Yeah, I know. If it's the same one, then don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's the same.
5-6?
I don't give that out to anybody. That's me. That is me.
Okay, so I'll text you. And then
But do you want me to come back if there's an issue?
you can always Zoom.
Okay,
Zoom.
perfect. I'm gonna go straight to my office.
Go. Hi, Joe. How are you?
I was asked by according to Proton Espinosa. This is on the docket, DWI case, clients here. We are still waiting to hear about whether PTI is going to be approved on this.
Everything's in, Judge. We're just waiting to hear back about the approval.
Okay. I guess let's give it a week, Joe.
Okay, sir.
If it's approved, I'll waive, and then we'll sit you off like a couple weeks for you guys to get the contract, get the, portable and all that jazz. If it's denied, He's got to be here so we can.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, for sure. Have fun. Ready?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah.
What's up? I am here on Mr. Mark Gurley's case, who's on docket today, Judge, Gurley. And initially, I'll wait till you find it, Your Honor.
Thanks. Girl?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see it.
So initially, I had brought up some concerns that I had with the accuracy of the DIMS report and accuracy of the information that was being alleged within the four corners of the probable cause hearing information, I guess. And so you had set this.
As far as probable cause?
Right, yeah, as
You
far as
want to redo probable cause?
well, we had heard probable cause, and within the four corners of the DIMS, you had found that there was probable cause for the case to continue. But the issue that I had.
Want to do it again?
Well, I mean, I'm just kind of bringing you up to speed again, Your Honor, because I know it's been a few weeks. So the issue that I had raised at that time was I did not believe that that was accurate. The state had conveyed videos to us about, what the officer had seen from the dash camera perspective. And so I had issues with the accuracy of what was contained within the DIMS. I've spoken to the state this morning, and she said that she's reaching out to the police officer to find out, I guess his side.
Now we pivot to assault with bodily injury backed by surveillance video. The footage allegedly shows a two-handed push headfirst impact on concrete and the complainant unconscious. High drama facts that play big at probable cause. The judge flags this as the second assault in 24 months, then drops the full compliance package. No contact with the complainant, no weapons, no alcohol or illegal drugs, and stay 200 feet from home and work. There's also a sober reminder about immigration detainers if custody overlaps with federal holds. Translation: one wrong text, one bar run in, or one dirty test can detonate bond status. For the audience, does video evidence change your presumption of what happened, or should the defense still press for context around location, intoxication, or prior history? And if you're the defendant, how do you prove you're safe to remain in the community between now and trial?
I guess his side of the story is my understanding. I don't want to speak for the state.
I've watched the camera footage. I just want to speak to the officer before we make any decisions on the case.
The issue.
The issue is that from what I can see, I don't want to get into the facts of the case right now in front of you, Judge, too much, but.
Then don't.
Right.
Then don't. Just do what you need to do.
Right.
It's only 25 days old.
Sure.
I just emailed him today. Yeah. I think a
Set it up
regular
a
brief.
week.
Yeah.
Sure. It's a very new case. If I can get maybe a couple of weeks, Judge, I've got.
You can have as much as you want.
Sure.
It's up to you.
Yes, sir.
I guess if you just set it, if you need me to do another probable cause hearing, I'm happy to do it.
Sure.
If there's something that has come to your attention that's not right in the DIMS, I'm happy to hear it and we'll redo probable cause. I'm happy to do it at any time.
And maybe the state's conversation with the officer will clarify all of this and then.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. All right. Thank you.
I'll grant it for you.
Thank you, Rob.
Okay.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Hi, Judge. How are you? Good to see you.
It's been such a long time.
I know, I'm back.
What's new?
I have
Thanks for the warning.
kids. How are your kids?
And maintenance.
How old now? How old?
14, 12, 9, 3.
There's 12 or 14 girls?
Well, a boy and a girl. We put them to work.
A real girl?
Girl.
God bless you in every way there is.
She's great.
Your life.
I love it. I'd have more if I had money.
Real girl, it's just you and.
She's so sweet. Great.
You've been there. We were 12-year-old, 13-year-old, 14-year-old girls.
Those was rough for 12.
They're hard.
It's okay.
They come out of it.
Yeah. You can't just give it time, patience,
I have Miss Bookman, who's not on your docket.
Okay.
She was here on Friday, and she's hired me on a DWI, and she has 2 trips planned, and she has to do UAs. One is out of the country, one is not. How do you handle that?
So typically, if they're out, we have them, if they're in the United States, we have them go to like a quest, wherever they are.
Okay.
They get called on to do
Okay.
it. Get the results so you get to us, we're happy.
Okay.
If they're out of the country, how long?
She'll be out of the country for 5 days.
So let her know.
Yes, to her.
Let her know not to use. She's going to get tested as soon as she gets back,
Okay.
just so that she knows.
Okay. Okay,
So
Perfect.
just let Lisa know about the dates so that, for the out-of-country ones, so they know not to call.
okay, perfect.
Yeah,
Will
that's
do.
it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Have fun. Hi, Shrey.
2-5.
I'm just here for Mario. He's got Christopher Torres, who is surrendering himself today. I believe papers are filed and everything. But he had, and I'm a little unclear on the details because I wasn't here, but he had brought an AA log that I believe you were gonna, if he had shown you.
Well, no. I said be creative with what, and I would consider waiving the fee.
And so he's given me an AA log with, all right, I can give it to the court. All the times he had gone, he'd gone almost every day. There were some wildfires that he had to be evacuated from. So that's the only day or a couple of days he missed Torres. And Mario's off picking a jury across the street. Otherwise he'd be here himself.
The reason I had the problem is because he has a prior intox assault where there's like, and now we have another